The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Once upon a time, in a small village near the hills, there lived a young shepherd boy. His job was to take the sheep to the fields every morning and bring them back safely in the evening. The boy often felt lonely because he had no friends to talk to while watching the sheep graze. One afternoon, the boy became bored. Looking at the villagers working nearby, he thought of a naughty plan. He stood up and shouted loudly, "Wolf! Wolf, please help me! A wolf is attacking the sheep." The villagers heard his cry and ran quickly with sticks in their hands. But when they reached the field, they found no wolf. The boy laughed loudly and said, "Ha ha! I fooled you all. There was no wolf." The villagers became angry but went back to their work. The next day, the boy repeated his trick. He shouted even louder, "Wolf! Wolf! Somebody save my sheep!" Again, the villagers ran to help him, but again there was no wolf. The boy laughed even harder. The villagers warned him, "Do not play such jokes. If a real wolf comes, no one will believe you." But the boy ignored their advice. A few days later, while the boy was watching his sheep, a real wolf appeared from the forest. Its sharp eyes shone, and its teeth looked dangerous. The wolf ran toward the sheep, ready to attack. Terrified, the boy shouted, "Wolf! Wolf, please help me. This time it's real." The villagers heard his cries, but they thought, "He is only playing another trick." Nobody came to help him. The wolf attacked the flock, and the boy could do nothing to stop it. Many sheep were lost, and the boy sat on the ground crying bitterly. That day, he learned a painful lesson. If you lie again and again, people will not trust you even when you speak the truth. Moral: nobody believes a liar even when he speaks the truth.